Manage spending where and when it happens with Concur Expense. SAP connects your expense, travel, and invoice spending in one system, providing a way to manage spending from end to end, gain greater visibility into transactions, improve compliance, and simplify the process for employees and administrators. When business travelers are on the road, SAP Concur makes expense reporting easier with EXPENSEIT, part of the SAP Concur mobile app. With this innovative feature, travelers simply use their smartphone camera to capture and upload an image of a receipt. SAP Concur Solutions processes the data, including the amount, date of transaction, vendor, expense type, and location, capturing and matching them to expense entries in Concur Expense. Employees can further extend the value and simplify expense reporting by connecting to our ecosystem of partner apps. Expenses from partners like Uber are automatically created in Concur Expense, complete with e-receipts. When you need to capture employee spend at the source and gain visibility and control, Concur Expense can help. By consolidating your expenses in one solution and automating the process, you can help employees go from trip to expense report with far less effort. Plus, SAP Concur Solutions does the heavy lifting by writing most of the report for the employee, combining credit card, booked travel, and e-receipts, all while using built-in audit rules that highlight exceptions. Taking advantage of hotel e-receipts means employees don't have to stop at the front desk. The system also notifies employees of incomplete entries to help create thorough, accurate, and complete expense reports. Once an expense report is submitted, Concur Expense allows employees to visually track the status as it moves through the approval workflow. Employees can also use the SAP Concur mobile app to upload or view expenses, add them to a report, and submit that report while on the move. Managers can then take advantage of the SAP Concur mobile app to expedite expense review and approval on the go. Track the metrics that matter with easy-to-use dashboards that deliver a clear look at what's being spent and where, and offer a simple way to track travel KPIs. As an added benefit, SAP Concur financial connectors work with your ERP, CRM, human resources, and accounting systems to give you a unified view of your spend data. SAP Concur also offers a direct native integration with SAP solutions. Harness the power of travel and expense products in a single solution that helps your employees be more productive. You'll get transparency and visibility into employee spend, the ability to enforce policy, and the agility to make intelligent spend management decisions. To learn more, schedule your demo today.